What's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm the boy unboxer, and today I have my brother here with me.
Hey guys.
And today we're both gonna open the BeyBlade Burst Rise Hypersphere set. Now I'm super excited to open this because this is one of my favorite toys to play with. And they're just really fun. So yeah, let's get to it.
I'm excited. Let's go.
Everything to the side so we have some space.
Yeah. Now we're gonna open these plastic things here for the stadium. There we go.
So basically what these are some clips so they can go on top and clip the stadium together. So yeah, pretty cool.
And make sure you dispose of plastic bags as they can be harmful to the environment and to any children.
Okay, so let's get building. So these are the instructions on how to build the stadium. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take these clips and put one on the, let me just get the top part out, stuck together. We're gonna put one on the bottom of here, right here. We're gonna put one right here. My brother's gonna do two, and
I'll do these two here. These are stands, correct?
Yes. Okay. And these are going to go right on top, right here. So let's do these. And what you're gonna do is you're just gonna squeeze it, put one side in, and then squeeze it and put it in, and now it's in. And you're going to do this. It's kind of hard, but yeah.
There we go.
It's fun.
So yeah, basically these just connect the two, the base layer and the top layer.
And there we have the stadium. Let's move on to the BeyBlades. So BeyBlades come in 3 parts because when they burst in a battle, they go all over the stadium and it's pretty cool. So this is how you assemble it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take them out. Oh, it's hard. Gonna take the tip of the BeyBlade out, and I'm gonna show you guys how to assemble it. So, yeah. Well, this is what's called the tip because it is the tip of the BeyBlade. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the middle, because it's the middle of the BeyBlade, and stick it right here. And there's 2 dents on the middle, so you're gonna have to find the 2 parts here that fit in the dent, and now it fit in the dent. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna hold it in your hand and take the top, and you're gonna place it on top and make sure it's all in the middle, and then you're gonna turn it, and there you have a BeyBlade. And this is the tip, this is the middle, and this is the top. This is the side, bottom, Now let's move on to the launchers. So this is what the launcher looks like. It's pretty cool. And this is what the bottom part looks like where the bay goes on. So now we're going to take one of these strings. They're pretty nice. And it depends on if you have a left-handed or right-handed BeyBlade. For me, I think I have a right-handed bay, so I'm going to put it in the right side. And what you do is you just put it on the side, you just put it in, and it'll go in easily. And this is how the BeyBlade spins and battles, because you're pulling on it and it spins, and then when it goes up to the end of the string, it falls off. So that is a pretty cool system right there. So yeah, let's get battling. So my BeyBlade's name is Ace Dragon.
And I have Bushin Ashindra.
And once the string is in, you're going to put the BeyBlade in and battle. So my brother will show you how to put it in.
So these two holes will clip onto these two hooks. Simply you just put it on and then you just click it a few times. And after a few times it should be on. And so both of ours are on and let's battle.
3, 2, 1, let it rip. Pretty cool. Whoa. Well, I'm slowing down. No! He won.
So Bushin Ashindra won that first match. Just a warning, while the BeyBlades are fighting, just don't put your hands, your face, or any other body part over or inside the stadium, as it could result in injury. So yeah.
And to start a battle, you have to say this. 3, 2, 1, let it rip! Oh! I'm slowing down again. I think that was a tie. Yeah. 3, 2, 1, let it rip! I won. If you don't have anybody to play with, you can play by yourself. All you have to do is just take the two launchers and click them together. And take one string and put it through both of them. And then what you're going to do is you're going to put both BeyBlades on the launcher. And then you can battle. Thank you for watching this video.
Really appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed.
Please like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.